Find the heat loss from a rod of 3 mm in diameter and infinitely long when it has base is maintained at 140 degrees Celsius. The conductivity of the material is 130 watt per meter Kelvin and the heat transfer coefficient and the surface of the rod is 300 watt per meter square Kelvin. The temperature of air surrounding the rod is 15 degrees Celsius. So this sum is for fin. Okay, this sum is for fin. We know this one. What is the purpose of using the fins? It is a heat transfer rate increase from one place to the another one place. So its name is another one name. It is called extended surface. Okay, it is a extended surface or fins. The both are it will be same. Now you can see we are going to find out the heat loss. So we are going to find heat loss. It is denoted Q. One rod, that rod diameter is given 3 mm. Then another, it is a infinitely long. It is the main concept. Actually, we know this one. Pin fin. It is a pin fin method. Pin fin only we have to use it for the infinity long. Then short fin end is insulator. Then same the short pins end is not insulated. So we can use it for the three type of fins. Here we are using for the infinitely long fin. When the base is maintained at 140 degrees Celsius. Now you can see you have to consider it is a the outer it is a furnace, it is a wall, it is a rod. The rod dia is a given 3 mm. Then base it is a base. It is denoted Tp. The Tp temperature, the temperature of the base, it is a 140 degrees Celsius. Then thermal conductivity, it is a 150 watt per meter Kelvin. So the material K is the given, it is a 150. Then temperature, it is a 140. Then another heat transfer coefficient. The H is given, the H equal to 300 watt per meter square Kelvin. So it is a watt per meter square Kelvin means it is denoted for H. Watt per meter Kelvin, it is denoted for K. Then next there is a given in our sum, there is a surrounding temperature. So there is a outer temperature, it is denoted T infinity equal to 15. So here is the given some of the dimensions. First there is a diameter is the given. Next it is the base temperature is given. Then surrounding temperature, thermal conductivity and heat transfer coefficients. These all are the given data. We are going to find out heat loss. It is denoted Q. Now this formula used for our infinity long fin. Okay, this formula is for the infinity long fin. The formula is also available from HMT data book, the page number 50. So don't forget that this formula is used for infinity long fin. Now Q equal TB minus T infinity into root of HBKA. TB means it is a base temperature. T infinity means it is a surrounding temperature. Root of H means heat transfer coefficient. P means perimeter. K means thermal conductivity. And A means it is a area. In this formula, TB is the given in our sum. Then T infinity is also given in our sum. Then HK there is also given in our sum. Then which is the unknown value here means P and A. P means it is a perimeter. Then A means it is the area. So it is a give. We are going to find out. Now the perimeter we are going to find out means there is a formula by into d. By into d. D means it is the diameter. So given diameter of fin, there will be value of 3 mm. So you have to convert it for the meter means 3 into 10 to the power of minus 3. From that we are going to find it for perimeter. Area, there is a formula by 4 d square. So by 4 d square, it is the area. They say here is the dia of fin is 3 into 10 to the power of minus 3 per meter. So by 4 into 3 into 10 to the power of minus 3 whole square. What is the answer of area? Means 7.06 into 10 to the power of minus 6 meter square. It is the area. Then perimeter, already I say there is a formula. Perimeter means by into d. By into d means diameter of the fin. So diameter of fin is 3 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Now we have to substitute all the values in this equation. We are getting for the perimeter value. Now you have to apply this all the values in the equation of q in equal tb minus t infinity root of hbka. So it is an infinity long fin. So in this formula, we know the all the theta. TB base temperature we know because here is a given in our sum. T infinity is also we know this data that is given in our sum. Then HK there is a given in our sum. P perimeter we are find out here. Area here is a find out. So we know this all the values. You have to subject all the values in this equation. We are getting for the Q value. The Q value is 6.838 watts. It is a fin problem. Okay, it is another fin problem for infinitely long